with a vision for humanity's welfare, an ideology to bring people and technology together, and a mission to build the largest tech community in the world. 3 aspiring visionaries: Omar Khan, OK, His Highness Sheikh Marwan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and Samil Chaudhry, formed Innovation Factory, embarked on the mission with only 4 planned projects and a small team, with 2020 and 2021 being the years of planning and achieving initial milestones. Innovation Factory grew exponentially during 2022-2023, and the ecosystem expanded to 28 projects. Innovation Factory established a new head office in Dubai with 300+ in-house employees. Design, digital marketing, customer support, R&D, finance, project management group, project engineering group, business IT, DevOps, quality assurance, and logistics. Innovation Factory is recognized by some of the prominent trade and commerce authorities in the world, including Poland, Lithuania, Turkey, USA, and UAE. Teams from around the globe. With an expanded team of 500+ employees from around the globe, we have established teams in different regions, including India, Pakistan, Russia, Turkey, China, and Africa. We have signed 5 international celebrities as brand ambassadors: the Sultan of Swing, Wasim Akram, Bollywood superstar Sanjay Dutt, cricket legend Azharuddin, Bollywood singer Ali Kuli Mirza, journalist and TV anchor Always Mangavala. Ecosystem growth and project development. In 2022-2023, Innovation Factory spent $12 million+ on development. Blockchain Foundation was redeveloped to support smart contracts, NFTs, gaming, and Web3 projects. BFI Coin got listed on the top 10 crawlers in crypto exchanges, including CoinMarketCap, OnRamp, LBank, Bitmart, and more. 23 new projects were added to the ecosystem, out of which 11 projects have already been launched. Innovation Factory has generated a community of 15 million+ members across 205 countries. To become the fastest growing tech community, it has changed the lives of 5 million+ people and distributed wealth of $900 million+ around the globe. First Investment became a people's favorite. First Investment quickly gained 200,000+ subscribers who generated a business of $50 million+. Exchange On acquired a team of 80+ Chinese and Russian developers and signed agreements with 5 countries to offer citizenship via cryptocurrency: Dominica, Vanuatu, St. Lucia, St. Kitts and Nevis, Grenada. All 5 citizenships are purchasable via BFI coins on Explore the World. 50+ developers are signed from Silicon Valley, the USA, the Middle East, China, and Europe to work on MetaMall, our metaverse project. Developers of famous entertainment apps are signed to develop Jokers, our entertainment app. Associate Partners. We've strategically partnered with top global associations, combining diverse expertise for mutual growth. Recently launched projects: Blockchain Foundation for Innovation and Collaboration, a 4th-generation blockchain for change makers, innovators, and visionaries that offers hybrid scalability and effortless computation for Web 3.0, artificial intelligence, decentralized apps, and Internet of Things. Super 11, a fantasy sports app powered by blockchain technology. Game OK, a decentralized gaming platform for those who love to play without interruption. B-Store, world's first blockchain-powered e-commerce platform for online shopping across the globe. Bulleto, Certic certified smart contract with the world's first co-matrix plan. Events by Innovation Factory. Crypto Expo Dubai 2022. Innovation Factory participated in the world's biggest blockchain and crypto event, the Crypto Expo Dubai. The company became a center of attention by offering some of the most unique new projects to the audience. Burj Khalifa Armani event. A grand corporate event was conducted at the Armani Ballroom, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. The event hosted some of the biggest names and prominent figures from various industries in the presence of international media. Innovation Factory signed Mr. Wasim Akram as its brand ambassador during a special press conference at the Dubai head office. An agreement was signed by Mr. Omar Khan and Mr. Wasim Akram to move forward together in the interest of the company's vision and mission. After a successful participation earlier, Innovation Factory revisited the Crypto Expo Dubai in 2023 with a new project and was awarded for being the fastest growing crypto community. Grand Thailand event. Community has always been the heart of Innovation Factory. A mega seminar and celebrative event was hosted by the company in Thailand to acknowledge and appreciate our rapidly growing community across the globe. Celebration of 5 million members. Innovation Factory's management, along with some global leaders